Many people today are choosing LED light bulbs over other technologies to save money on their electric bill and help the environment. That means these little semiconductors are helping change and impact our world. That begs the question, what's actually inside an LED light bulb that helps it last so long and run so efficiently? There's no filament to produce more heat than actual light, and no mercury or hazardous waste, unlike some of the other products in the marketplace. LED is a light source that is upgraded to the 21st century and functions more like the cell phone in your hand than the light of your childhood. All LED lights and fixtures are made out of three major components: a heatsink, a driver, and the light-emitting diodes themselves. The heatsink are typically made from extruded aluminum and are the reason why many people accused early LEDs of being from out of this world. LEDs run pretty cool, but the heatsink still plays a major factor in taking heat away from the junction point of the diodes to let them have their infamous long life. The circuitry inside your LED light bulb is called the driver. It takes your input voltage and steps it down to a constant current for the diodes. Having quality resistors and the right liquid in your capacitors make the drivers last for tens of thousands of hours, and it allows, because of the electronics, special applications like daylight harvesting. Light-emitting diodes create electroluminescence through a semiconductor material. As the constant current passes through the diodes, as it crosses the junction point, electrons fill the holes, emitting photons or light. To create a white light, blue diodes are covered with a phosphor. From the diodes to the driver, back to the heatsink, everything comes together so that your light bulb or fixture can light up and last for a long time. So that's some of the basics of what's inside an LED light bulb. For more information, you can visit us online at greenlightingled.com.